Hi, welcome to your worksheet. To get started, you must be well versed with the workflow of 925worksuite ERP. In this short video guide, I will be giving you a complete brief. So, in your worksheet, there are three types of users. The first is the admin, the second is the employee, and the last is the client. Okay, let's break it down. The admin is the system owner. This is usually the first person that takes charge of the entire company system. This is usually the person who registers the system in the first place. If you remember, in this screenshot that you're looking at right now, the admin is usually the person who filled this form. So basically, the admin is the person who takes charge of everything that happens in your worksheet. The admin has the power to create other members of your worksheet. These members can be the employee or a client. The admin is responsible for distributing roles on the system. The admin has the power to add employees and clients and also have the power to change their permissions and determine what they have access to on the worksheet. What this means, however, is that as an admin, you can visit your company's login page and log into the system and you start using every feature of the system as an individual. As an admin, you have access to all the modules of the system immediately. However, an ERP system is not complete without these two other members. The next type of user is an employee. An employee is somebody who has been hired by a company to work for them. So, an employee is somebody that an admin registers, creates, or adds to the system. Employees are people who would log in to the worksheet to complete their individual tasks, group tasks, or projects. Employees are the one that logs into the system to view and manage their activities as a staff. Employees can be added to the system by the admin, or the admin can also invite employees into the system. Admin can give another employee the access to add another employee. This way, the admin can begin to distribute the roles downward. Adding of employee can be done by an HR admin, for example. An HR admin is an employee itself. However, an HR admin can be an employee who has been given the role to add other employees. The last type of user in your ERP worksheet is the client. The client is somebody who has chosen your organization to get their work done. Now, this client can be managed from within your worksheet. However, that is not all. Aside from managing your client can also log in to your system to check quick updates between yourself and them. Your client can log in and see reliable information and conversation between your organization and themselves. So, this is what makes 925worksuite a three-tier system, meaning you can have three types of users: the admin or the owner, the employees, and the client. However, the admin is responsible for determining everything that happens on the worksheet. Now, let's be a bit practical. So, as an admin, once you're logged in with your username and password, you can head over to your profile name, click it, a pop-up like this, and you select profile settings. Once you click profile settings, it takes you to a page where you can edit things like your profile picture, your name, your email, your password, and so on and so forth. Once you edit this, you save. This is your first step to customizing your system. This step is applicable to everyone, including your employees and your clients, as long as they have access to your system. Now, once that is done, as an admin, you now have access to do more deeper customizations. For example, if you head over to settings, it takes you to all the settings available to you, starting from company settings, business address, app settings, profile settings, notification settings, and so on and so forth, up until recruitment and billing settings. These settings are easy to customize. Once you open it up, you would see what you need to customize your worksheet therein. The next step is to add an employee to your system. To add an employee to your system, head on to the menu. Under HR modules, you select employees. When you select employees, you would see a big button that says add employee. You can add an employee this way, and they would receive their welcome instructions in their email immediately. You can also decide to invite everyone, one after the other, using the invite option, where all you have to do is put in the email of the employee. You can also decide to use the invite by link, and you can also restrict this link to people with official emails. Aside from that, you can also import if you have an existing list of a lot of employees. Now that you are settled on how to add an employee, the next thing to add is your clients. To add a client is as simple as adding an employee. Just click on clients from the menu. It takes you to your clients page, where you see the list of your existing clients. All you have to do is click on add client and fill in these details, and your client can receive email notifications from you containing their login details immediately. However, you can decide to disable that depending on your choice. You can also import a list of your existing clients into your new worksheet. Now you are almost ready to go. But before we go, you need to know how to contact admin for technical support. For technical support, all you have to do is go to the bottom page and locate the question mark icon. The question mark icon says contact support. You click on that and it takes you to an existing list of FAQs created by the technical team. The technical team oftentimes update this list with information to guide you. However, if you're not, or you want more information, or you want advanced technical support, then you click on contact support at the top. Now you are ready to start exploring your worksheet completely. Remember, your worksheet ERP can be used to manage multiple aspects of your business, including your HR, your client management, your projects and tasks, your inventory, and so on and so forth. Take your time to explore all the features of 925 worksuite ERP and take it based on your priority, one at a time.